Hello, welcome all. This is our game. So as you can see, these are the menu options where you can just uh, either reduce or increase the music volume. This is the game story, and this would lead us to the player selection screen as well as the sidekick selection. So sidekick is the player AI which would support us on our missions. So let's select the player, and this is the sidekick. So these are the levels, 3 levels we have created. In this level, one is defend headquarter. This is the battlefield where we are heading towards the enemy headquarter, and the third final level is the enemy headquarter. So let's play with the defend headquarter, and if you can see, it's the player AI is also nearby, and this is our primary attack, so normal shoot. Let me show the superpower attack. In case there are more enemies, I should be able to show you. It's shooting multiple bullets. Seems like this turrets, which are our base defense mechanism, so they have taken care of the initial wave. Okay, now let me show the superpower. As you can see, it shot 2 bullets. It can shoot up to 4 bullets. That is the superpower, and it recharges after some time, so after that only it would be available. As you can see, I have done that again. And what we have done is like with a probability, the health boxes are dropped sometimes, so you can replenish your health as well. In this particular level, our prime objective is to defend our base from the enemies. Let me show you the defense mechanism. I can stun the enemy so that they, okay, you can see this enemy got stunned, and you can kill it easily afterwards. So now my health is getting low, so let me pick up some health packs. Now after certain durations, you would be seeing like the boss is coming. So if you can see this boss, it has got area attack kind of a damage, as well as it can create shield for itself. And as you can see, the game intensifies, and it spawns its own enemies as well, this boss. Okay, so the thing is that I got killed, so this is like the game over screen, if you can see. Let me quickly go back to the main menu, and let us play another different level. And over here, if you can see, we have the selection between 3 players. So this particular player is a kind of a ranged player which has got shooting. The goo player has got shoot multiple, that is the superpower, and defense as the stun, whereas this clone is having a power of penetrating hammer. It's kind of a throwing hammer as a superpower, and he's a melee guy basically, and his defense power is grab and pull any enemy, and grab and pull near himself. Whereas this Samay is the time traveler guy. So this player has got an ability to shoot portals and black hole as the combinational power, and it has got a defense as a teleportation. Yeah, so let me show that capabilities this time, and I'm selecting another player. Let me put it in the battlefield. In this particular levels, you should be able to see that we have the capability. Oh yeah, this let me talk about this particular enemy. The small enemy which you saw is a suicide bomber. So this is a new addition into this level, and apart from that you should be able to see one more addition is this destroyable objects. So if you can see, let me just prime it up. This is a kind of a destroyable object, and anybody nearby gets affected by it. So let me lure the enemies to it. Okay, anyways, they got killed. We can use our surroundings to our advantage, and let me show the defense power. This is the defense. He teleports. This is, and if you can see over here, this combinational bar meter recharges depending upon our vicinity to our player AI, and it replenishes if we stay for a longer duration, and that's when our combinational power is available to us. Okay, so let me this player's superpower is time stop. If you can see, all the enemies are stopped for a short duration, and we can kill them. So that is its superpower. And let me teleport here. You can use surroundings like this, teleport here, and okay, I didn't need to do that. Anyways, one additional, okay, this, let me see, this another guy pulled it. That was the grab power for the player AI. Okay, the suicide bomber did a considerable damage because I did not kill him properly before it could damage me. This is the electronic trap. Whoever passes through it gets little health damage. So you have to time your moves to pass through it, and you can actually jump through it if you are a teleport. So that is an additional benefit. Let me use my surroundings to kill. Okay, I'm stuck here, so let me go and pick up the health bars. This is I've used my superpower to time stop, so it only stops the enemies, not me. And okay, with proper use of powers, I could survive this parade. And let's move on to the next target. This should be the end of the level where the boss comes. This boss also has the teleportation power. It's a ranged boss. It can create the shield, and apart from that, it spawns the enemies as well for its defense. It's pretty interesting to kill this boss. Over here, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use the surrounding environment to my advantage, so that, you know, environmental damage also causes health damage to the boss. Okay, this is where it's a little bit tough. You have to play real good to beat this level. Okay, let me show you the third level. Let me play along with this clone guy this time, and go as the sidekick I've selected. Okay, This is a melee guy. His superpower is uh, a hammer which is thrown and which comes back to him. And as you can see, the AI stunned the enemy and then killed it. I didn't have to do it. So AI is also really helpful in this case. And in this the primary objective of this level is basically going and destroying the enemy headquarters. Oops, I missed it. You can see the suicide bombers do a considerable health damage, so you have to be very cautious and use your powers properly. Either you can stun him or you can use the time warp to stop them. That is most beneficial, and or else you can use this. Okay, yeah, this got it. So you have to make sure you don't use your powers for no reason. Let me navigate to the this is the enemy headquarters. We have to destroy okay, now we have to destroy this base, enemy base. That is the winning condition. It seems my player AI has already died, so I would have to struggle a little bit. Player AI respawns and comes back to my help. Only the player AI can respawn, not us. That is the end condition for us if we die. So we have to be very careful. This turret seems to be distracted by... Okay. It's high time we use the environmental damage to our advantage. So let me lure them. So if you can see, I've used the environment surrounding environment to my advantage and destroy the enemy wave. Okay, I was able to destroy the second turret. Oops. This okay, anyways, this is the main kind of the play mechanics what we have implemented. I think yeah, that would be pretty much it for today. Thank you.